Hello students, now we are going to start 8G. What it is about? It is about the profit and loss. Okay. So here if SP is greater than CP, it will be profit. And what are the formula for profit? It will be SP minus CP. For SP is equal to CP plus profit. For CP it will be SP minus profit. Now if CP is greater than SP, then it will be loss. The loss is equal to CP minus SP. SP is equal to CP plus loss and CP is equal to SP minus loss. These are the few formulas on the basis of which you will find your answer. Now, some more formulas are there. Profit percent is equal to profit upon CP into 100. Loss percent is equal to loss upon CP into 100. Okay. Profit percent, profit upon CP into 100. Loss percent, loss upon CP into 100. Then one more formula in profit. SP is equal to CP into 100 plus profit percent upon 100, or CP is equal to SP into 100 upon 100 plus profit percent. If you have to find directly SP, CP and profit percent is given, you can use this formula, and if you want to find CP, SP and profit percent is given, you can use this formula. Clear? Same way in case of loss. Loss, so CP is equal to SP 100, SP into 100 upon 100 minus loss percent, and SP is equal to CP into 100, CP into 100 minus loss percent upon 100. These are the formulas which you have to learn to solve this exercise. Clear? Now let's start the exercise. Okay, till here small summary I given how you have to solve. Now we are going to solve it. 8G. Now find the profit or loss percent. First question, you have to find profit or loss percent. So first A, CP is equal to rupees 500 and SP is equal to rupees 650. Okay. So here you have to find profit or loss percent. So here SP is more, that will be profit. So how much? 650 minus 500, that is equal to 150. The profit percent will be 150 upon 500 into 100. 0 0 cancel out, 0 0 cancel out. 5 30s, which is equal to 30%. So what percent of profit is there? 30%. Once more, profit upon CP into 100, 150 upon 500 into 100, 0 0 cancel out, 5 3s are 15 and 0, 30%. B1. CP is equal to 900 and SP is equal to rupees 828. The profit, so here what it will be? Loss, because CP is more, so loss will be 900 minus 828, which is 72. The loss percent will be 72 upon 900 into 100. 0 0 cancel out, 9 8s. So what is your loss percent? 8%. Again, profit is equal to 650 minus 500, 150. And profit percent 150 upon 500 into 100, that will be 30%. Same way CP is 900, SP is 828. The loss is 900 minus 828, 72, and and loss percent will be how much? 72 upon 900 into 100. All zeros will be cancelled out. 9 8s are 72. Your answer will be 8%. Clear? Now see question number C part of it. CP 325, overhead 25, SP 490. Yes, this overhead will be added in CP only. Your CP will become 325 plus 25, that is 350. Okay. So here 350, then also it is less, SP is more. So profit it will be. So you will have 490 minus 350, that is equal to 0, 9 minus 5, 4 and 140. The profit percent will be 140 upon 350 into 100. 0 0 cancel out. 7 2s are 20s are 7 5s are 5 4s are 4 10s are 40%. Clear? Profit is equal to 490 minus 350, that is 140. 140 upon 350, that is into 100. So 0 0 cancel out. 7 20s and 7 5s are and 5 4s are 20, that is 40% profit will be there. Clear? Now come to question number 2. Find the SP of an article if it's. Find the SP of an article. Second A part. CP is equal to rupee 80, profit 15%. So SP is equal to CP 100 plus profit percent upon 100, which is CP is rupees 80 into 100 plus 15 upon 100, which is equal to 80 into 115 upon 100. 0 0 cancel out. 5 2s are 5 2s are 10, 3s are 2 4s are 4 3s are 12, 4 2s are 8, 1 9. So what will be your SP here? Rupees 92. This formula I have told you. SP is equal to CP into 100 plus profit percent upon 100. So your 100 plus profit percent will become 115. 80 into 115 upon 100. 0 0 cancel out. 5 2s are 5 23s are and 2 4s are. So 23 into 4, it will be equal to 92. So what will be the SP here? 92. Now see the B part of it. CP is equal to rupees 950 and loss is equal to 8%. So what will be your SP? CP into 100 minus loss percent upon 100, which is 950 into 100 minus 8 upon 100 is equal to 950 into 92 upon 100. 0 0 cancel out. 5 19s are 5 2s are 2 4s are 6 are. Okay, 46 into 9, 19 6 are. And 19 4s are 8. What will be your amount? 874. What will be your amount? 874. Clear? So you will have rupees 874 as a SP. Now see the C part of it. CP rupees 190.50. Octrine is equal to 20.50. Transportation is equal to rupee 59 and loss is equal to 20%. Now total CP will be how much? 190.50 plus 20.50 plus 59. $250. Now what will be your SP here? CP into 100 minus loss percent upon 100. CP is 250. 100 minus 20 upon 100, which is 250 into 80 upon 100. 0 0 25 8 200. So what will be your profit here? Of rupees 200. Now whether you call Octrine, CP, transportation, it is included in CP only. So 190.50 and 20.50 and rupees 59 all will be added and it will become 250. And loss you have already know that it is 20%. So 100 minus loss percent means 100 minus 20, 80 to 250 into 80 upon 100. 0 0 all will be cancelled out. What is remaining? 200. What will be your answer? Rupees 200. Okay students. Now come to question number 3. Find the CP if SP 2380 profit percent 19%. So here CP is equal to SP into 100, 100 minus 100 plus profit percent. So SP is 2380 into 100 and 100 plus 19, that is equal to 2380 into 100 upon 119. See, so how much it will be? 20, sir. So it will be 2000. So what will be your CP? Rupees 2000. Okay? 2380 into 100 upon 100 plus 19. So 119 2 is 238. To 20 is 20 into 100, that will be 2000. Okay? Now see the B part. SP is 510 and loss is 15%. So what will be CP? That is SP into 100 upon 100 minus loss percent. So SP is 510 into 100, 100 minus 15, that is 510 into 100 upon 85. Okay? Now 5 20s are 5 1s are 5, 5 17s are 17, 30s are 32s are 600. So what will be here? CP is CP 600. Clear? SP into 100 upon 100 minus loss percent. So 510 into 100 upon 100 minus 15. 510 into 100 upon 85. 520s are 517s are 1730s are 510. So 30 into 2 60. That will be 600. What will be the CP here? Rupees 600. Clear, students? Is it clear to you all? Now move to question number 4. A person buys a book for rupees 200 and sell it for rupees 225. What will be his gain percent? Okay. What will be his gain percent? Fourth question. A person buy, the CP of book is 200, SP of book 225, profit on book 225 minus 200, that is equal to rupees 20. Profit percent on book 20 upon 200 into 100. So now 2 tens. So how much profit is there? 10%. Sorry. 12.5%. Now see once more. CP of book is 200, SP of book is 225. So profit on book will be how much? 225 minus 200, that is 25. Now profit percent on book will be 25 upon 200 into 100. 0 will be cancelled out. The 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. 12.5% of the profit percent will be on the book. Clear? Now see one more question. Question number 5. See, a calculator is brought for rupees 350 and sold it at gain of 15%. What is the SP of calculator? So what is CP of calculator? CP of calculator is equal to rupees 350. Gain percent is equal to 15%. Now, what will be the SP of calculator? So, CP into 100 plus profit percent upon 100, which is 350 into 100 plus 15 upon 100. So, this will equal to 350 into 115 upon 100. 0 cancel out. 5 2s are 5 3s are 5 2s are. Now 35 3s are 105. 35 2s are 70 80 upon 2. That is equal to 2 4s are 2 zeros are 2.50. So what will be the SP of calculator? Rupees 402.50. Okay students, that's all for today. Thank you and have a good day. Thank you students. And listen, if you are having any confusion, you can ask your problems related to this chapter. And thank you and have a good day.